These are residents of Gwagwalada in the Federal Capital Territory. They have been displaced as a result of conflict between farmers in the area and cattle herdsmen. This has become a common sight in Nigeria, where communal clashes and the rise in cases of insecurity have seen the sacking of Nigerians from their ancestral homes. The situation formed the focus of this workshop for judges and Grand Khadies across the country. The Executive Director of the National Judicial Institute, Justice Umaru Eri, called for an amendment of relevant laws concerning displaced persons so as to ensure that their rights are not violated.
Nigeria has ratified the basic international instruments on the protection of refugees, mainly to safeguard the interest and treatment of persons who are seeking or persons seeking political asylum in Nigeria and other matters incidental to.
The Chief Justice, however, canvassed for good governance and respect for the rule of law by the ruling class to mitigate the increasing rates of violence and insecurity in the country.
While it is imperative to address the needs and welfare of these vulnerable groups, my view is that it is better to avoid, as much as possible, those situations and circumstances that precipitate internal displacement and refugee crisis. This is an area where the political class must be up and doing, and I hold the view that good governance, respect for the fundamental rights of citizenry as stipulated in the Constitution, and strict obedience to the rule of law will promote peace rather than internal displacement and refugee crisis.
Participants at this event, however, agree that while preventing crisis is a step in the right direction, protecting refugees and internally displaced persons is also important to ensure that they get justice at all times. Amaka Okafo, Channels Television News.